Alright, so my name is James Mamina Abraham. I'm an intern in Project Cage Technology. I started my internship about 3 months ago. So Project Cage has really been challenging in a good way, in the sense that I have to sleepless night that I've never had as a student. I've had them because of projects I'm working on. I mean, I have to deliver a project, and the project is not just about working on it and building a working project. It's about understanding it and being able to deliver it back to kids. And that has been the most challenging part and the fun part for me, because I just love that if you can't understand something yourself, to break it down for people to actually learn and build from scratch without your guidance 100%. Then you've not fully understood what you are doing. So working on this project, my latest project that I worked on was the RFID based voting system. This is the registration system and this is the voting unit. So the first challenge I had was teaching this to kids. I mean, I have to explain crazy Python codes to them and all of that. And also the 3D printing of these models. There are a lot of errors, but yeah. So Project Cage has really been helpful in my growth as a computer engineering student that is aspiring to become a robotics engineer. So I'm really grateful to Project Cage for this opportunity of internship, and yeah, thank you very much.